Hello, today I'm going to show you how to search the Kitchigami Regional Library System and place a hold on a book. So one of the first things we're going to do is to come over here and select the Catalog tab. Next, because I'm looking for a book, I'm going to come over here first to this drop-down menu. Scroll down, select Books. Come over to the second one, come down and select Title. Since I know what the title is, I'm going to be looking for. Now I'm going to type in Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. As you can see here, I have some misspellings. Now, this is actually going to cause an issue in our search because the library needs it to be very precise. Now, if you have trouble spelling, such as myself, come over here to Google, type in the name of the book, and I can get the autocorrect. I'm going to take this right here, copy it, come back, paste, and then search. And here we have the books that I'm looking for. Okay, now that I have the book I want, I'm going to come over here and select Place Hold. Now, it's going to ask for my library number and the PIN. If you have forgotten what your PIN is, odds are it's going to be the last four numbers on your library card. So you're going to take that, put it in the PIN, and then hit Login. Now, what it's asking now is where I want to pick this up. Now, it's currently set at Cass Lake, but I'm going to pick this up in Bemidji. And I hit Place Hold, and there it's a success.